Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant 11th anniversary release. We hope that you are enjoying the release so far. We have a lot more to share. Today we are taking a break from holiday theme cards to make some fun Capybara tags. The anniversary release will be available on September 15th, and first up is Essential Tag Sayings. Here's a look at essential tag sayings, and it has a variety of sentiments for all different occasions. I'm going to read all of them. Hello, friend, from me to you. Thank you for coming. You're the best, made with love, a special treat, hugs and kisses, trick or treat, happy Valentine's Day, merry and bright, just a little gift. Welcome, little one, because you're awesome. Happy holidays. Hooray for you. Special delivery. Celebrate all the good times just for you, and happy birthday to you. Here's a look at Fave Tag Set Creative Cuts. This die set has 4 different shapes in 2 different sizes each. And these actually pair really nicely with the Essential Tag Saying stamp set. I wanted to use the little capybara agenda on these tags, so we're going to color them up again. I'm just coloring up the ones that I need, and I'm using Copic Markers today. I'll have a list of the colors that I used in the description below, but for the main body color, I usually use E11 and E13, but I decided to mix it up, and I'm using E30 and E31, and I believe I'm using E33 and E35 for the barrel color, YR21 for the yellow, R20 for the cheeks, BG32 for the butterfly, and I used W5 for the little stones. These images are so cute. It makes me want to decorate my planner, even though I don't do that anymore. But I think they would look so cute stamped out using like pastel colors on a little planner or like a little bullet journal. They're really small, so I think it would look really cute in a bullet journal. So I am just going to color the rest of these. I wanted to make like a scene for them, and when I read up on them, they live in the Amazon, so I wanted to create like this Amazon sort of jungle area. And whenever you see pictures of them, they're near water, and like there's like rocks and things, like a riverbed type thing, so I kind of wanted to create that look. The base of my tags, I'll be using the Fave tag set, and here's what it looks like. You get 8 different dies, and 4 of them are larger in 4 different shapes, and then there is a smaller version in the same type shapes. They're just tinier. I thought I would pair the tinier ones with the marquee letters because the sizing is really nice. I've chosen 4 sentiments from the Essential Tag Saying stamp set that is being featured today. Remember that stamp set includes all sorts of different holidays. It even has a baby one in there. But I chose some generic ones because I wanted to do a non-holiday themed project with these tags. I'm just stamping them out using the VersaFine Onyx Black ink. I'm using some previously released creative cuts to create my little jungle scene. So this is Botanic envelope creative cuts. It comes with 3 different little foliage dies, and I'm just going to cut them out in different colors of green. I have some turquoise and some lime green. I just pulled some of my scraps and I just die cut those because these dies are really small, so it's kind of easy to use up all of your scrap paper. And so I'm just kind of loosely gluing them to the front of the tag. I'll be trimming this out when I'm done, so I'm just kind of making sure I'm overlapping and, kind of covering the area really loosely. And then next, I kind of need like a stream. So I've cut out the tags, and I'm cutting out part of the tag with the wavy borders. You can use whatever landscape die to create kind of just like a loose wavy ground. or you can also use just the scissors to cut it out. And I'm taking that and I'm gluing it at the bottom of the tag to create kind of like a stream, and I'm putting that over the foliage. I'm not putting glue on top, so I can potentially tuck things in at the top. Next, I wanted stones or rocks in my scene. So Mushroom Home cuts out these cute little pebbles. So I cut out the big ones and the little ones using just some dark gray cardstock. First, I'm going to add my capybaras in, and I just have a little tiny square of double-sided foam adhesive because I want to leave around that adhesive to be clear in case I want to put things behind the capybara. So I just have like just a tiny little bit of foam adhesive to adhere them to the tag. And then I'm going to take all these little pebble things that I cut out and kind of just adhere them like behind the capybaras just to create like a little scene, like a little river rock situation. So this video is sped up a lot. This was very meticulous. It took longer than I thought it would because I just wanted it to look a certain way. I just wanted them to be all around this stream. I also wanted to add like a fun bright color, so I cut out these little stars. I know these tags were intense because I just wanted to add a lot and I wanted them to look really full. And plus these are small images, so it doesn't take much to fill up the tag. So I believe these little stars were from, I think, Midnight Cover. A lot of the Mama Elephant creative cuts have just different cluster stars that you can just use. So I just pick whatever is closer to me. So I just happen to have the Midnight Cover. So I just cut a bunch of yellow stars and I'm just putting them all around the scene. So next are the smaller tags, and I thought it was like the perfect sizing to adhere the marquee letters on. So the marquee letters creative cuts are new for this release, and so I thought I would take more of my scrap paper and cut out the letters in the same colors as my little tags. So I'm just making the word hello. So I had a lot more foliage left over and I didn't want to store them away. So I'm just taking whatever extra I have and I'm just building up my little jungle scene a little bit more. I just honestly wanted to use all of the die cuts that I cut out. So I'm just adding them on. So finally, I'm just going to trim out all of those hanging pieces from the tags, and that will be the final step for that. And that is it. I'm calling these tags done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe. Happy crafting, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.